The Tuscan Burger, a fusion of Italian tradition and American classics. The history, culture, and economics. The Tuscan Burger is a modern fusion dish that blends Italian culinary traditions with the American burger concept. While burgers originate from the U.S., the Tuscan Burger incorporates flavors and ingredients from Tuscany, Italy, such as sun-dried tomatoes, basil, garlic, Parmesan, and olive oil, making it a unique gourmet twist on a classic burger. History of the Tuscan Burger. The roots of burgers in the U.S. The modern hamburger was popularized in the late 19th to early 20th century in the United States, inspired by minced beef dishes from Europe, like Hamburg steak in Germany. Over time, burgers evolved into a fast food staple, with major chains like McDonald's, 1955, Burger King, 1954, and Wendy's, 1969, leading the industry. Italian influence and Tuscan flavors. The Tuscan Burger emerged in the 2000s, when chefs and gourmet restaurants began experimenting with global flavors in classic American comfort foods. Inspired by Tuscan cuisine, which is known for its simple, high-quality ingredients, the Tuscan Burger replaces traditional burger toppings with fresh basil and arugula instead of lettuce, sun-dried tomatoes and roasted garlic instead of ketchup or mustard, Parmesan or Pecorino cheese instead of American cheddar, ciabatta or focaccia bread instead of a traditional burger bun. Rise in gourmet burgers and Italian-American cuisine. The gourmet burger trend took off in the 2010s, with high-end restaurants and food chains offering artisanal burgers. Italian-American cuisine, which has been popular in the U.S. for over a century, played a role in introducing more Tuscan flavors into mainstream American dining. Fast casual chains and upscale burger joints like Shake Shack, Five Guys, and boutique restaurants started introducing Italian-inspired burgers to appeal to food lovers seeking authentic, yet modern flavors. Cultural significance of the Tuscan Burger. A blend of Italian and American food cultures. The Tuscan Burger is an example of culinary fusion combining the bold, rustic flavors of Tuscany, the iconic, casual nature of the American burger. It represents globalization in food culture, where traditional recipes are adapted to modern tastes. Symbol of gourmet and healthier eating trends. Many Tuscan burgers focus on healthier ingredients such as grass-fed beef or turkey patties, whole grain buns ciabatta, or focaccia, fresh herbs and olive oil-based toppings. This shift reflects consumer demand for premium, high-quality, and Mediterranean-inspired diets. A popular dish in fine dining and food festivals. Upscale restaurants and food trucks serve the Tuscan Burger as a gourmet alternative to traditional fast food burgers. It is featured in food festivals and cooking competitions, where chefs experiment with variations such as truffle-infused aioli, buffalo mozzarella, and balsamic glaze. Plant-based Tuscan burgers with portobello mushrooms. Economics of the Tuscan Burger. Cost of ingredients and pricing. Compared to a standard fast food burger, a Tuscan burger typically costs more due to high-quality Italian ingredients like Parmesan, sun-dried tomatoes, and olive oil, artisanal bread like ciabatta, focaccia, organic or premium meats like grass-fed beef, turkey, or plant-based alternatives. Price range. Fast casual restaurants, $10 to $15 per Tuscan burger. Gourmet burger joints, $15 to $25 per Tuscan burger. Food trucks and markets, $8 to $12 per Tuscan burger. Impact on the food industry. The rise of gourmet and fusion burgers has led to higher demand for premium ingredients, benefiting Italian food suppliers and local farmers. The fast casual dining sector has seen growth in upscale burger offerings, leading to increased competition among burger chains and Italian-American restaurants. Chains like Shake Shack and Five Guys have experimented with Mediterranean-inspired burgers, indirectly influenced by trends like the Tuscan Burger. Growth of the gourmet burger market. The gourmet burger market has been growing steadily, with high-end burger joints and plant-based alternatives driving innovation. Consumer demand for healthier, more authentic, and globally inspired flavors has boosted interest in Tuscan and Mediterranean-style burgers. My conclusion. The Tuscan Burger is a modern culinary creation that merges American fast food culture with the rustic elegance of Tuscan cuisine. Its rise reflects the globalization of food and the popularity of Italian flavors, a shift toward premium, gourmet burger trends, the economic impact of high-end, fusion burgers in the restaurant industry. Classic Tuscan burger recipe. A gourmet Italian-inspired burger with juicy beef, sun-dried tomatoes, Parmesan, and fresh basil, served on toasted ciabatta. Ingredients serves 4. For the burger patties, 1 pound or 450 g ground beef or turkey for a leaner option, a 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons sun-dried tomatoes finely chopped, 1 clove garlic minced, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, half a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon olive oil for cooking. For the toppings, 4 ciabatta rolls or focaccia, 4 slices fresh mozzarella or provolone cheese, 1 handful arugula or fresh basil leaves, 1 tablespoon balsamic glaze optional for extra flavor, 2 tablespoons roasted garlic aioli or regular mayo, sliced tomatoes. Instructions. Prepare the patties. In a large mixing bowl, combine ground beef or turkey, Parmesan cheese, chopped sun-dried tomatoes, minced garlic, oregano, salt, and black pepper. Mix well and shape into 4 equal-sized burger patties. Let them rest for 10 minutes while you prepare the toppings. Cook the patties. Heat olive oil in a skillet or grill over medium-high heat. Cook patties for 4 to 5 minutes per side or until desired doneness. In the last 2 minutes of cooking, add a slice of mozzarella or provolone cheese on top of each patty to melt. Toast the ciabatta rolls. Lightly toast ciabatta rolls in the oven or on the grill until golden and crispy. Assemble the Tuscan burger. Spread roasted garlic aioli on the bottom half of each roll. Layer with arugula or fresh basil, sliced tomatoes, and the burger patty with melted cheese. Drizzle with balsamic glaze optional. Top with the other half of the ciabatta roll. Serve and enjoy. Serve hot with Parmesan truffle fries, roasted potatoes, or a fresh side salad. Tips and variations. Make it spicier. Add red pepper flakes to the patty mix for a kick. Vegetarian option. Replace the beef with a grilled portobello mushroom or a lentil burger patty. Extra creamy. Add a dollop of pesto mayo instead of aioli. Ultimate Tuscan style. Serve with a glass of Chianti or a side of bruschetta. If you could create your own gourmet burger inspired by any culture, what ingredients would you use? Let me know in the comments. Do you love learning about the history of food? Want to see more delicious deep dives into culinary culture? Then don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Void and hit that notification bell so you never miss a bite. If you want to help support the channel and keep these mouth-watering videos coming, consider joining my Patreon. You'll get exclusive content, behind-the-scenes insights, and even more tasty history. Click the link in the description to become a patron today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious episode.